Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Rochelle C. Tipon from the Philippines. I'm 43 years old and I'm married, a high school graduate, blessed with 3 kids, ages 25, 20, and 17. My height is 157 centimeter and my weight is 72 kilograms. I have a 2 years experience here in the Philippines as all-around helper and also take care of 2 children, ages 2 years old and 4 years old. My main duties is laundrying, ironing, cooking, and cleaning the house. I love kids very much as I love it in my own. And I promise you, employer, if you hired me, I'm do my best to do my work good as an all-around helper. Thank you. Bye. See you in Hong Kong.